makes the whole interior look better. For $275 on Amazon, it's not that bad.
Yeah, $275. That's not bad.
No, not at all.
Bro,
ain't the mics on today? Oh,
man.
Really?
Oh, man.
Wait, how you do it?
Looks like you just gotta get under the middle. What's the hole? There you go.
Damn it.
Piece by piece. There you go. Oh, there you go. I think there's 3 of them. You know, gotta put them to work a little bit. You just broke it. Give me. God damn it.
I gotta sit that don't belong after rain.
Get that a little warm, you know.
That's probably gonna be melted.
Alright. You get your
I took
get
this
that
one
10
off.
mil?
The 10 mil?
Yeah. Well, he didn't get it all. He kind of broke it off. But you know.
Hey, it's off.
Daddy had to save him.
Yeah.
Take this battery off. Negative terminal, so Braden doesn't unalive himself.
Don't need an airbag to the forehead.
That dome might take it. Hey, I showed him the new parts, man. Show him the new goodies.
See that?
Yeah.
It's his fault.
That's on good.
It's his fault.
Did
He
you
sent
win?
it to me.
Did you win the money back from the casino?
Half of it. But
Half
I was
of it.
down. I was down $350.
It's
I
half
started
price.
putting up $200.
That wheel's half
out,
price.
And I started winning.
And that's what used to be there, or is still there, obviously, but we're replacing.
It's like I can feel like once I'm on the spring, I can feel the tension like pushing me out. You saw how I popped that side out? It's like you just got to get it in at the right spot, wherever it is. There it is. The bomb's out.
The bomb is diffused.
No, it ain't diffused yet.
Oh shit! Yeah, that's diffusing it.
You was a little nervous. I see them
Hands over here
shaking.
like this. Yo. So once they're out, pry them up out of there. There you are.
Oh.
You never, like I said, you wanted it completely straight.
Yeah.
So that's your clock spring. Like you literally, you want to keep that exactly where it's at once you take your steering wheel off. And it's just easier to line it up when it's perfectly straight. You know what I'm saying?
You order that stuff in your cart yet, buddy?
Trying to hit it
Oh.
perfectly enough to like push that in.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I was wondering what those were on the new ones.
Mm-hmm. So it's like that's what holds the, what's the name in it? It's just, it's hard to get that angle because a lot of the time, like if you're not going in perfectly straight, you're gonna miss it. You know what I mean?
You want to do that in the trunk?
Yeah, yeah. Let's do it. Let's move it to the trunk.
This one, what do you mean?
Like you want to hold
next
it?
to each other?
Yeah.
I'm just hyped about this part.
Mhm.
This part
The
makes
flat
it
bottom's
way
crazy.
cleaner.
Flat bottom.
And the grip on the back.
The grip on it. Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Mhm.
That's tough. That's
You know what we
tough.
need?
If it
You know what we need?
Focus.
You good? You want to do it?
Thumbnail.
Nah, it just wasn't focusing
Oh,
on
you
the
wanna
back.
do it
On the back of the. There you go. Now
Yeah,
it's
you got the
working.
grips.
Mm.
Yeah, that shit's tough.
All the, I gotta put something else red in there now.
For sure. You gotta do red caliper.
need
Calipers.
it.
That's what. Yeah.
Mhm.
But I kind of want to go white.
White calipers go crazy. They go crazy.
You know what we need?
Comment below, red or white calipers, or if you got another color suggestion. I mean, it is a white car. It is a white car, so anything will go with it. But comment below. Some motherfucker paints his brakes.
And using the plastic pry bar, carefully remove the rest of the rear shell assembly. There's still one more connector to disconnect.
All All right, so we got the wheel all put together.
I said it was 35 foot-pounds. I don't know how you do that.
For the bolt?
I don't know if you care about that.
Hold that
Good old. Definitely gotta plug that. So that's about 3 oogas, right? We're over because I want to get everybody's reaction.
All right, all right, I'll see you on.
All right, let's hit the road.
I'm just trying to go slow. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I don't like how close you are.
What do you think for $270?
Pretty good. I like it.
Bro,
Only thing, like you agreed, only thing we gotta do is just switch the bezels. That's it. That's all. That's
maybe
tough.
black or some shit.
Nah, get some carbon ones or some shit.
Yeah.
That's
Bro,
clean.
feel it. Shit feels ridiculous. Oh. Whoa.
Oh. The flat bottom steering wheel says it all, man.
I love it.
That's how it is in my car. Yeah, this is nice.
Let me go get in so I can get his reaction.
Ah, this joint's nice. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
That shit clean, my boy. That shit nice. This is very good material too. Like this ain't no fake carbon type shit. You know what I'm saying?
$275.
Here,
Bro,
look out here.
I'll buy that shit for $275, bro.
They got it for the Camaro.
They got it for Camaro?
Uh-huh.
All right, bet. That's my next grab.
Are we doing 2 wheel installs now?
Two wheels, and it only took like an hour and a half, right?
Yeah.
All right, so this car already got a carbon wheel. This one's getting a carbon wheel, and that one's getting the carbon wheel. Okay.
Shit sound way better.
Yo, Ed said he's getting the
We
wheel
back
now.
again. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something, or at least got some enjoyment out of watching us around with the steering wheel. We'll probably be installing another one on Mustang over there. And make sure to like and subscribe. Hey. I'm about to be motion sick watching this video back.